it's Skylar Alexis and I'm back with another video. Today is going to be a tutorial using the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. Here it is. It retails for $49, I believe. I put all the information in the description bar. It is 100% natural cocoa powder and it's made with real gold. And this is what it looks like on the inside. This is my second time using it, so I created this nice neutral look for you guys. I think it's really turned out really good. Really cute for a night out or a night in, or going to the grocery store, or going to church, or you know, wherever you want to go with this. So this is the look I created for you guys, and if you want to see more, then just keep on watching. Hi guys, we're jumping right in. We're going to be priming with my Coconut Smoothie Primer and moving on to eyeshadow. I'm going to be using the shade So Bougie in my crease and just fluffing that around with a BH Cosmetics 001 brush. Next, I'm going to be using Cocoa Truffle, and I'm just using that with a smaller blending brush and concentrating that color in the outer corners and blending it into my crease slightly. And it wasn't building up like I wanted to, so I had to go over it a couple times. The only thing I can say about this palette is that the matte shades, they don't really show up as much as I would like them to, so I did have to go over this a couple times for me to get the pigment I wanted. Then to soften up the edges, I'm just blending that out with my first brush. Next, I'm going to be cutting my crease. I'm using the Real Techniques detail brush, and I'm just taking my time and cutting both my creases. I'm basically doing a full cut crease all the way, just leaving the ends. So I guess a half, but I don't know, whatever you want to call it. So that's what I'm going to be doing here. Then I'm going back in with Cocoa Truffle again and then blending out the harsh edges of the cut crease that I did. And I'm also taking that and sweeping it into my crease above the cut crease, since I cut it higher than I had blended my eyeshadow, so I'm just going to be sweeping that above, so it's a nice blended gradient effect. Next, I'm taking the shade Old Money and then putting that all over that part where I cut the crease at. I like this color, but it looks different to me than it does in the pan. I don't know, I thought it was more, I don't know what I thought it was more, but it didn't look exactly like I thought. So I'm just putting that all over the cut crease part. And then I'm going to be taking the shade Famous. Is it Famous? Yeah, I'm taking the shade Famous and I'm just popping that on the inner part or the middle of my eye just to give it an extra little pop, a little extra dimension. And we're moving on to eyeliner. I'm doing my eyeliner with the same Wet n Wild eyeliner, and you guys can refer to my video if you want to see a more detailed video on that. Next, I'm going to be using the NARS new Radiant foundation. I'm doing this fast because I am going to do a detailed review and wear test on this, so stay tuned for my next video for that. But I will say that, actually I'm not going to tell you how I feel about it. I'm going to let you wait to the next video. Next, I'm going to be finishing off the rest of my face, and it's the same as I did in my last video, so I'm just going to let you guys watch me do my face. I'm just taking the color Gold Dip and putting that in my inner corners to give it a little bit of a pop. Lastly, I'm going to be using the Fenty lipstick, MatteMoiselle, in the color Madame. And I'm just rubbing that all on my lips. This was really easy to apply, and I'm not really a fan of matte anything, but these lipsticks were actually not like super drying and cracky, and you guys know how matte lipstick can feel, but these actually felt really good on your lips, and it wasn't drying or anything like that. Alright, well that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it to this point in the video, please give me a thumbs up. And make sure you stay tuned for my next video. Bye!
Your bitch want party with Cardi. Cardi body in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body, shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch on Molly. Bitch, you ain't gang, you lame. Billy truck laying the lane. Blow up the brain. I go insane. I drop a check on the chain. Pick up a check in the frame. Credit ticket man, you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset.